In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from your Trello board in this quick and easy guide. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Trello's website at trello.com. Trello is an incredibly useful tool for organizing tasks and projects, either individually or as part of a team. So, whether you're an occasional user or a project manager in charge of multiple boards, knowing how to manage your board's membership is really important. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you have the option to log in using your email address or your Google account. Using Google is a breeze if you've got an account, as it bypasses the need for additional passwords and keeps your login process both quick and secure. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Boards section. This can be found on the left side menu and is where all the magic happens. In the Boards section, you will see the Your Workspaces area. This is the central hub for organizing all of the boards you're part of, whether they're personal boards or part of a larger team effort. From here, click on the specific board that you want to manage. Each board acts as its own ecosystem, allowing you to oversee tasks, timelines, and of course members. Once you're on your desired board, look to the top right of your screen and click on Share. This will open the membership settings for your board. Now you'll see a list of all the current members involved, each with a drop-down menu next to their name. Click on the drop-down menu for the member you wish to remove. This presents you with several options relating to that member's participation on the board, including the option to remove them. Select Remove from Board. It's important to do this thoughtfully, especially in a team environment, to ensure you're making the right call. Once you've opted to remove them, a confirmation message will pop up asking for your final approval. Click on Remove to finalize the process. And there you have it, the member is now successfully removed from your board. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage who has access to your projects, maintaining focus and direction within your team. Remember, effective collaboration often requires clear coordination, and being able to manage team memberships is a vital part of that process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips.